I am super excited to share my top 7 Raspberry Pi 5 projects for smart home. These projects are easy to understand and install and perfect for making your home smarter, more efficient and fun. Let's jump right in. Starting with number 7, which is setting your Raspberry Pi as a media center. Whether you're into movies, music or TV shows, running LibreELEC, OSMC, Volumio or Plex on your Raspberry Pi is a fantastic way to showcase your media library. All these softwares can be integrated with Home Assistant for more advanced home automations, such as enabling scenes, light dimming, auto-play music when movement is detected, and so on. And most of these softwares can be installed right from the official Raspberry Pi Imager tool, where you just have to select them from the list and to write them on a SD card. Coming in at number 6, we have PiVPN. With PiVPN, you can securely access your home network from anywhere in the world. It's like having your own private tunnel to your smart home, keeping your data safe and sound. PiVPN is designed to be user-friendly with a straightforward installation process and configuration, especially on Raspberry Pi devices. It includes pre-configured settings and templates to simplify setup, making it accessible even to users with limited technical knowledge. It will not cost you a dime, and at the end of the day, why you will need a smart home if you cannot connect to it while you're at work or on a vacation? Before we continue further, I just want to mention that some, if not all, of these projects can be started not only on Pi 5, but on the older and cheaper Raspberry Pi 4 or even Pi 3 devices. So, if you want to check the current prices of Raspberry Pi 5, Pi 4 and 3 devices, use the Amazon affiliate links in the video description. My number 5 Raspberry Pi 5 project for smart home is setting up a network attached storage, or NAS for short, using Open Media Vault or Nextcloud. These two are some of the best examples that can be installed on Raspberry Pi with ease. Using them, you can say goodbye to the cluttered hard drives and hello to centralized storage for all your photos, videos and documents synced intelligently over the network. Nextcloud can be also added in Home Assistant, so you can create automatic notifications if you're running out of disk space, for example, or other more clever home automations. Have in mind that installing Nextcloud or Open Media Vault on a Raspberry Pi device is not so straightforward task, and it requires a bit of Linux knowledge. But there are tons of step-by-step tutorials out there, and to make the things even easier for you, I'll link one or two in the video description. Moving on to number 4, which is Full Page OS, that is also available in the Raspberry Pi Imager 2 under Other Specific Purpose OS section. Full Page OS can be used for displaying web content in a full screen mode without any distractions. Perfect for web-based kiosks or smart home control panels using Raspberry Pi devices. Its minimalist design and auto-start functionality make it easy to set up and maintain, while its full-screen web browser ensures a seamless user experience for displaying web content such as Home Assistant dashboard or basically anything you wish. You don't have to worry about power interruptions because when the power is restored, the Full Page OS will start and load your predefined page automatically. Coming at number 3, which is all about cameras. Raspberry Pi supports several cameras, one of them even have interchangeable lenses, and it is quite impressive if you are in a hunt for a better image quality. Using these cameras, you can build a custom time-lapse setup or running Motion Eye software for surveillance. Add Google Coral TPU and Frigate software and you will get human and object detection. With Frigate and a little bit of Home Assistant magic, you will receive alerts whenever there is unexpected movement detected by a person or an object. Peace of mind in modern smart home has never been easier and accessible, don't you think? And now let's talk about one of my favorites, Pi-Hole, at number 2. Pi-Hole is the ultimate privacy and DNS solution for your smart home. Say goodbye to annoying ads, trackers and malicious domains across your entire network. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your internet connection. Pi-Hole works by intercepting DNS requests made by devices on your home network, and filtering out requests to non-advertising, tracking and malicious domains. By blocking these requests at the DNS level, Pi-hole prevents ads and trackers from loading in web browsers and apps, leading to a cleaner and faster browsing experience for the devices in your smart home. Once installed, Pi-hole operates silently in the background, requiring minimal user intervention. But if you wish, there is a Home Assistant integration which allows you to control and monitor your installation. And finally, drumroll please, number 1 on our list is Home Assistant. I said Home Assistant already cause it is such a universal tool. With Home Assistant you get everything you need to turn your Raspberry Pi into the ultimate smart home hub. Control your lights, switches, thermostat and more, all from your computer, smartphone, with your voice or entirely automatically. It's like having a digital assistant that gathers, monitor and control all of your gadgets in one place, no matter their brand, and everything can stay local only. So you don't have to worry that Big Brother is watching you. Home Assistant OS installation is like a walk in the park on a Raspberry Pi devices, as again it is available in the official Raspberry Pi Imager tool under other specific purpose OS category. If you want to know more, then register for my free Home Assistant webinar at automatelike.pro/webinar. Bye!